Instagram, Mark Morris, toldtobetheBroke.com, toldtobetheBroke.com. Right now I'm doing a house check. I'm trying to see, do I need to do any type of cleaning before I head out? But remember, say we want to attack procrastination. So if there's something that needs to be done, we do it right away. A quick look. Stove is clean. Stove is clean. There's no dishes. Only thing I was trying to do was the dishwasher thing was dirty, so I was trying to soak the little plastic thing for the dishwasher to clean it up. Other than that, put these silverware away. I have two cups. I'll keep one cup out. I cooked some hamburgers yesterday, so that's why this is out. But we're looking good, man. Kitchen's clean. Not much out here. Only thing I really need to do is after I clean the bathroom one more time, sweep it out, just take out the back trash. So subscribe. Make sure, don't procrastinate. Get it done.